Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about K&F Concept set of filters, magnetic filters for 82mm lens thread. It has just a magnetic ring that you will attach all other filters. Black Diffusion 1/4. This one has little particles all over the glass, which kind of diffusing the edges and giving this magic halation. CPL and VND, they are detachable, so don't worry. You can use only CPL, but not only VND. And magnetic lens cap, which is the best part, I think, about this filter. So the story is that I was looking for a filter, ND filter, specifically for my wide angle lens 16 to 35. I had a couple sets of earth filters, but they doesn't work. It gives you this X pattern whenever you put it further than I would say two steps. So I was hoping if I'll get a step up ring from 72 to 88mm, this will solve my problem. This is a very cheap step up ring. It was like $9 on Amazon, so be very careful with the thread and do not screw it on really hard, because you will not be able to get the magnetic ring off and you will stuck with both of them together forever. So this is just a magnetic ring. Don't go too hard, just a little bit. Then we can attach VND plus CPL, just magnetically. That's the best part about these filters. And here's your stopper. You have to unscrew it fully, because first time I thought it's not sitting properly because it was all the way in, and this little thing right here would not allow me to put it tightly on a magnetic ring. So make sure you unscrew it fully and then fix. Once you fixed it, you can rotate the VND ring. It has 5 stops, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I'm shooting 24 frames per second, and in S-Log 2, minimum ISO I can pick is 500, and sometimes when it's sunny outside and I need to shoot a video with this specific settings, I cannot do that, obviously, because everything just blown, everything overexposed. So I was hoping to get bigger filter to avoid vignetting, and hoping that I won't get the X pattern as I was getting on Earth. And as soon as I go further than 2 stops, right now it's on 3 stops, I hope you can see that. As soon as I go further, this X appears, unfortunately. And if I will rotate the filter, you can see it very clearly. Even with the step-up ring for another 10mm, you will not be able to use VND filter on your 16mm wide-angle lens. Even if you will zoom in, it will still be there. Another thing is vignetting. I'm not sure how that's possible. With a step-up ring, it's not a very wide, like not very big, lens. This glass doesn't go like all the way to the edges, but sorry for dusty lens. Yeah, if you'll zoom a little bit in, it will go away, but now you can see it very clearly. And it's for some reason more on the left side. So unfortunately, I'm gonna return this beautiful set of magnetic filters with a magnetic lens cap, which is the best part, and go look for probably one stop, just single 64. I think it's 6 stops. Try, and hopefully that will work. So please consider subscribing if you're also looking for a solution for a wide angle lens like I do, and I see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.